Hi there. Welcome to English Class Motivational. My name is Christian from Excellent Academy of Skills. Let's dive in. Have you ever felt nervous about speaking English? You're not alone. Many people feel anxious when they have to speak in a language that isn't their first. Maybe you worry about people understanding you. This is a common concern, but it can be overcome with practice and the right techniques. Good pronunciation is key to confident communication. When you pronounce words correctly, you feel more confident, and that confidence shows. It helps others understand you easily. Clear pronunciation bridges the gap between you and your listeners, making your conversations smoother and more effective. When you pronounce words clearly, your message comes across strongly. People are more likely to pay attention and engage with what you're saying. This essay will give you practical tips to improve your English pronunciation. From understanding phonetics to practicing with native speakers, there are many ways to enhance your skills. Learning pronunciation is an exciting part of learning English. It opens up new opportunities for communication and connection. It's about more than just individual sounds. It's about how those sounds come together to form words and sentences. It's about how words flow together. The rhythm and pace of your speech can make a big difference in how you're understood. It's about intonation, the music of language. Intonation adds emotion and meaning to your words, making your speech more dynamic and interesting. Master these, and you'll unlock a whole new level of fluency. With clear pronunciation, you'll be able to express yourself more effectively and connect with others on a deeper level. English has some notoriously tricky words to pronounce. These words can often trip up even the most seasoned speakers. Words like squirrel or rural can be a mouthful. They are often cited as some of the most difficult words to get right. But don't worry, there are ways to conquer them. With the right strategies, you can master even the trickiest pronunciations. Expert 2. Start by breaking down the word into syllables. This method simplifies the process and makes it more manageable. For example, squirrel becomes squir plus rel. By focusing on each part separately, you can gradually build up to the full word. Practice each syllable slowly, and then try to blend them together. Repetition is key to making the pronunciation feel natural. Another helpful tip is to listen to how native speakers pronounce these words. Pay attention to their intonation and rhythm. You can use online dictionaries or pronunciation apps for this. These tools often provide audio examples and can be very useful for practice. Additionally, practicing with language partners or tutors can provide real-time feedback and help you improve more quickly. Remember, consistent practice and patience are essential. Over time, you'll find that those tricky words become much easier to pronounce. Minimal pairs are words that sound very similar but have one small sound difference, like ship and sheep. This tiny difference changes the meaning completely. Expert 1. Mastering minimal pairs is crucial for understanding and being understood. Pay close attention to the vowel sounds or consonant sounds that differ. Practice saying these pairs aloud, focusing on the subtle changes in your mouth. You can find lists of minimal pairs online or in pronunciation textbooks.
Section 4. Navigating the world of accents. In this section, we will explore the fascinating variety of accents found in the English language. English has many different accents, from American and British to Australian and Canadian. Each accent carries its own unique history and cultural significance, making the language rich and diverse.
Don't be afraid of these accents. They are a testament to the global nature of English. Learning to understand them can enhance your communication skills. Embrace the diversity of the English language. Engaging with different accents can open up new perspectives and deepen your appreciation for the language.
Listen to speakers from various regions to train your ear. This practice will help you become more adaptable and improve your listening comprehension. Focus on the unique rhythms and intonations of each accent. Pay attention to how vowel and consonant sounds differ and how sentence stress and intonation patterns vary.
While it's great to be aware of different accents, don't feel pressured to copy them perfectly. The goal is to understand and be understood. The most important thing is to speak clearly and confidently in your own way. Your unique voice is valuable, and clarity in communication is key. Section 5. Practice makes perfect. Your journey to clear speech. The key to improving your pronunciation is simple. Practice. Make speaking a part of your daily routine. Find opportunities to converse with native speakers or other English learners. Record yourself speaking and listen back to identify areas for improvement. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sounds and intonations. The more you practice, the more natural and effortless your pronunciation will become. Section 6. Conclusion. Speak with confidence. Mastering English pronunciation is an achievable goal. Approach it with patience and persistence, and you'll see fantastic results. Remember, clear pronunciation opens doors to better communication and understanding. So keep practicing, embrace the journey, and speak English with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any questions or additional tips you have, and subscribe to English Class Motivational for more language learning content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.